Balcones Resources is an environmental services holding company. We have 3 facilities, one in Little Rock, Austin, and Dallas.
We've got markets for papers, plastics, metals.
We have an alternative fuel business as well as 2 shredding divisions.
And we ship to India, China, all over the world.
Here at Balcones, we have a very can-do spirit. We're not afraid of a challenge, and we're not afraid to be innovative and put on our problem-solving hats. It's part of our day-to-day fabric.
Oh, our customers love us.
We can actually help them become more profitable.
We think customers king, and we're here to accommodate our customers' needs and demands, and we help service them whatever that request might be.
Balcones is a pure recycler. Our revenue is 100% based on keeping things out of the landfill.
Well, we don't own a landfill. We never have, and we do care where the material goes.
It's at least a way to take materials and give them a longer lifespan to keep us in a sustainable environment.
It's a great thing knowing every morning when you get up, you're going to go to work that day and do something positive.
What's exciting about our industry is that it's going to continue to grow. Cities like Austin are putting together zero waste initiatives. That only means there'll be more and more material to recycle.
We were just awarded a 20-year contract with the City of Austin to process their single-stream recycling, all of their material north of the river, which constitutes about 60% of the volume.
It's much simpler on the consumer to be able to put all their recyclable materials into one container and then for us to handle the processing.
We built a new facility here that's state-of-the-art. We're very excited about, and we're ready to show the facility to the world.
We're here today to just talk to you a little bit about the plant and how material flows through. So the material's first stop into the plant is what's called our tipping floor. Drop the material on the floor, separate it by their components, and then we'll enter it into the metering bin that's directly behind me.
It's separating a lot of the material to where when it starts going up the conveyor belt, it's not going up bulky, it's in a smooth stream. What this area is called is a pre-sort area.
So we're trying to pull out big, bulky, non-conforming items. What's behind me is what's called a screen. Our screens are sized depending on what we want to travel over the top. So in this first screen, we want the cardboard and paper to travel over.
We are here in the post-sort. What we have over there is our newspaper belt, we have our mixed belt, and we have our plastic belt. We just sort our different commodities at this area.
This is our eddy current separator, and aluminum cans are passed through it. It applies a negative electrical charge. It is repelled and it's kicked over, and everything else that's not been charged falls down below. Once our material has been sorted and cleaned, the next step is to pass it through a baler, which compresses the material under high pressure, wraps it with baling wire, and then we store the material for shipment to our end users.
When we're at home or when we're in our office, all we see are paper, cardboard, aluminum cans, and plastic bottles. When we look out here, I see money on the floor. These are resources that can be reused if they're separated and handled properly, and that's our responsibility.
This campus represents the most significant capital investment by a recycling company in the state of Texas. We've got state-of-the-art technology here and throughput capabilities in this facility of some 25 tons an hour.
It will really allow us to process material in a much faster capacity in 3 or 4 hours instead of 1 to 2 days.
The investment we've made here, I think, is evidence of our commitment to what the city's trying to do. And as a citizen in the city of Austin, you should know that something positive is happening with the material that you set out at the curb every day. We decided to start Balcones at the end of 1993. We wanted to attract people to the business that we wanted to be around and work with every day, who shared our values.
Our people are our greatest resource, and we use them to help facilitate an environment that's fun and passionate and service-oriented.
And whenever something needs to be done, we all pitch in and get it done.
I've been here going on 12 years. I drive 79 miles each way every day. A lot of people think that I'm crazy, but I wouldn't work anywhere else.
The workers that we have with us, I think they really acknowledge and appreciate the fact that people will actually work shoulder to shoulder with them to make their job satisfying.
We have the best team of folks that are working in North America with an independent recycling company. They're here at our place.
And it's just an exciting place to work, to be part of something that's growing and thriving, and where we're not afraid to take chances. One of the unique things about Balcones is the fact that we don't have a direct affiliation with a landfill.
When cities like Austin implement zero waste initiatives, I mean, it is their goal to be landfill free in 20 to 30 years. That makes landfills soon to be obsolete.
I think the future is sort of here right now. This has been our future and our focus for the last 4 to 5 years, and so it's pretty exciting that we're actually finally here.
We are definitely excited about the future here at Balcones.
We've done some great things in Dallas and some great things in Little Rock. We want to take this asset that we've just created here in Austin and expand our presence in Central Texas. We had no idea some 18 years ago that it would become one of the top recycling companies in the United States, and certainly the largest in this region. We want to continue to build and grow this company.
This has grown to something far beyond our wildest dreams.